we're doing another giveaway today. So I'm very excited about this one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two RPGShow wigs that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I'm going to go over the different caps that RPGShow has because they have so many wigs onto their website, but they also have different cap constructions, and depending on what you need is depending on what cap construction you probably are looking for. So I'm gonna go over on what makes these two wigs completely different. We're actually doing a giveaway today. So me and RPGShow decided to partner up. We're doing a giveaway. One of you guys are gonna win one of these wigs. I'm gonna put the name of each wig whenever I'm showing them. And all you have to do is comment down below which one is your favorite. Make sure every single comment you do, because every single comment counts as an entry. Our last giveaway winner, she commented 100 times. So do not be shy. If you guys need a wig, if you want a wig, comment as many times as you can. So this way you have more entries, but you need to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you are not, then it will be disqualified. You have to be subscribed and you have to leave a comment down below, and then I'm gonna choose a winner and you guys can choose which one you really want. Let's get into this one first. I wanna show you guys the 3D Glueless Max because this is their newest version, and I feel like a lot of people are not used to this cap construction, and there's so many cool things about it. For today's purposes, I wanna show you guys how easy it is to put this wig on, what the hair looks like. So to put this one on, it's super simple because I didn't do the fake scalp tape underneath and I didn't put anything in my middle parting. If this is going directly on top of your own bare head, like your skin, it's going to show your skin underneath. You can see right here, this is what this whole area is going to look like if you're putting it on top of your own scalp. But if you have a little bit of hair underneath, I suggest putting some fake scalp tape. The color of it's so pretty, and the hair looks like it's coming directly out of my skin. Do you see that? How easy that is? The hair, every time I move it, it looks like it's coming directly from my skin underneath, just because it does have invisible knots. So you're never gonna have any of those dots along your forehead. You don't have to worry about people being able to detect where the hair is coming out of the lace. It's always going to look like the hair is like coming right out of your skin. But getting inside of the cap of the wig, this is where it changes up. This is where it's completely different compared to the other wig that I'm going to show you, because it has these little combs on the inside, and these combs are removable. So if you guys don't have hair, you're putting this on top of your bare head and you feel like combs are going to bother your skin, you feel like they're going to hurt you, or you just don't want them at all, but you also don't want to snip them off because maybe you want it, you can actually remove these because they are on with like this Velcro type of material. So they're super easy to peel off and put on, and there's 3 combs. So there's one at the nape of the neck and there's 2 on the sides. And another feature I think is amazing to have, because if you guys take off these combs, let's say, and you're putting onto your bare head, if you don't have combs inside of your wig, people feel like the wig is going to be able to move if they don't use any type of glue or adhesive. But this actually has this adjustable drawstring into the back, so this way you can actually adjust the size of the cap. So if you tighten it to the tightest, you're gonna actually put it into the back, like you're gonna put the wig on and you're gonna adjust it while it's on, and it's gonna fit so snug to your head. This way, if you toss your hair around, if you move around, it's not gonna budge. The wig's not gonna move. Even though you're not using the combs, it's not going anywhere, and it makes the wig completely glueless. And you don't have to worry about using combs. You don't have to worry about your wig moving if you're not using glue with it. You don't have to worry about all those things because of that drawstring. One of those things too, I think that is really hard whenever it comes to lace is the ear area. I think a lot of people hate cutting around their ear whenever it comes to lace. This one is so unique because the ear area is actually already cut out for you. So pulling up the wig, this is what you have for the lace. So it's perfectly around my ear. It fits perfectly around, and I don't have to cut the lace around my ear, but all I have to do is cut this lace here around my forehead and then up here, and then it's going to be a perfect cut. So you don't have to worry about cutting any type of lace around your ear. I do like this wig a little bit to the side though. I think she looks so pretty like this, and it just fits like a little bit on top of the ear. When I do that, I don't mind because I have big ears, so it like pushes down my ear. I don't mind that. I don't mind that fit at all, but that's just how I adjust my wigs, and this is what she is looking like. She's so pretty. I'm not going to cut the lace off of her because I want the winner to have the option of cutting the lace around their forehead, and I don't know what the winner is going to receive. I don't know what wig the winner wants, so I'm just gonna leave the lace on each wig. But yes, this wig is stunning. She's beautiful. She looks so realistic. She's gonna be really easy to fool, especially the length. This is perfect for an everyday type of wig. You can wear this to work, you can wear this to the gym, you could wear this like literally anywhere and feel like you're wearing nothing because the density is so thin, it's so low, and it feels really good on. I will not get hot in this. Let's say if I was out and about, I would not get hot into this and this would not bother me. It's so pretty. Let's get into the bangs wig. Let's get into the Glueless Fit 2.0, what the cap construction looks like there, and I have a few surprises and little things to show you guys with that wig. But before we do get into that wig, actually, let me just share with you guys, if you want these wigs, I'll link them down below in the description box, so this way it's easy for you to get to if you guys want to buy them. If you buy them and you end up being the winner, RPGShow is going to refund you. So don't be scared to actually buy the wigs and be stuck with a wig and then you get like another free wig. RPGShow will just refund you the money if you do win the wig and if you are the winner. So if you want the wigs, go get them. They are stunning, beautiful. I'll also put my coupon code here onto the screen for $100 off. But let's get into the Glueless Fit 2.0 wig, the Zelda 005. So this is the cap construction that I'm the most familiar with whenever it comes to working with RPGShow. It's the first cap construction that really gave me the confidence to walk out the door with a wig on and feel like nobody ever knew that I was wearing a wig without any glue. It just melted into my skin, it fit my head perfectly, and it made me feel like my own hair, and it made me feel like people would never even realize that I was wearing a wig. So I am in love with this cap construction. So this one here, if you guys end up wanting this one for the giveaway, make sure to comment down bangs. Her name is Zelda 005, like 005. And she is just so pretty. She has bangs in the front, which is perfect if you're somebody that's just getting started with wigs and you are still, like, even though it has transparent lace, so like I said before, this one has transparent lace. This is the perfect color. This is the lace that you want if you have fairer skin. This is going to be the best bet for you if you are fairer than me. But if you guys are still worried about people being able to detect where your lace starts and where it ends and like cutting your own lace and having that on your forehead, then maybe you want to opt in for some bangs, which she has. I'm so excited to show you guys. These bangs are very long. I have a very short head, like forehead, so she has very long bangs. I put her on, the bangs were so long, I did have to pull back the wig a little bit because obviously I don't want to cut the bangs on this one because one of you guys might win it and maybe you have a longer forehead. I didn't want to mess around with the bangs, but if they're too long for you as well, you could just take this to your hairdresser. She is human hair, so you can have your hairdresser cut the bangs to the perfect length of your forehead and where you would like the bangs to end. She also has something a little bit different on the inside of the cap, which I chose. So you do not have to choose this option, but she does have the option to come with a fake scalp, which I love if you are laying wigs on top of like dark hair like mine. I have very dark hair, and so I have to use a lot of fake scalp tape. I have to use foundation. I have to use powders to make my middle parting look real and to hide the hair underneath. You can actually get the option from RPGShow to have this type of fake scalp built in. This is in the nude color. It fits my complexion perfectly. It's the perfect color for me. They do have different options. This is gonna cost a little extra to have. If you guys are putting this wig on top of your bare scalp, then obviously you're not going to want the fake scalp underneath. You're just going to lay this on top of your own head and it's going to look super real. But for me, I want that type of skin color type of effect without having to wear a wig cap. Then on the inside, you do have the 3 combs just like the other wig cap. The only thing is with this one is that they're not removable. You can remove them by snipping them, but you can't like reapply them. They have no Velcro. They're on there, and then if you snip them off, you're gonna have to sew them back on. It does come with this adjustable strap as well, and it also has the little adjustable strands onto the bottom with a little bit of lace that you need to cut. And that's what the inside of the cap looks like. The lace is what makes it so cool though, because they changed up the lace. So the Fit 2.0 was basically created to have this type of lace that lays super flat onto your forehead. So this way, whenever you cut the lace, it's not coming outward, it fits directly onto the skin. It hugs almost your head, and it makes the lace disappear. Because Swiss lace is super thin, it's going to make the lace look like invisible basically. So I'm just gonna throw her on. I'm not going to like fix my hair properly to put on a wig or anything. I'm just gonna do like a little bun into the back, just so you can simply see what she looks like and what I'm explaining to you guys. And throw her on like this. So I wanted to show you guys, I'm gonna brush her out. She's so pretty, she's beautiful, 20 inches long. I love this mousy color. The bangs are super cute. I do need to maybe use like a hot comb on them to get them all nice and done. But this is what the fake scalp looks like on the top, which just I feel like gives off the best illusion that it's your actual scalp. So if you are laying this on top of your dark hair like me, that fake scalp is just going to look so good. Have a side bang if you wanted. And it looks really nice. It is a 13x6. So the difference with this wig is that it's not cut around the ears. So the lace runs all the way down to the ear area, and you're gonna have to cut out an ear section for yourself if this completely makes you nervous and you're like, oh my gosh, I cannot cut lace. I've never cut a wig lace before, and you just do not know how to do this. I have so many video tutorials onto my channel showing you the easiest way to cut around your ear. It's not hard. I have mastered it, and it's so simple. And the way I explain it, don't worry, you're going to be able to cut the lace off of your own wig as well. But what this is going to do is it's going to allow the hair, even around this area, to look like it's coming directly from your skin. That's why you want your lace to be 13 inches long around your face, because it's going to help give the illusion. Even if you had your hair, let's say you wanted some bangs out and you wanted to put your hair back a little bit, it's going to give that illusion that the hair is coming out of your skin because it has that lace there. If you got a wig without any type of lace into the front, it's going to be that block looking type of wig. If you guys want this wig specifically, put bangs down in the comment. Her name is Zelda005, so if you guys want to search her up, or if you want to find her in my description box, it's the Zelda0051. And she is so pretty. This is perfect for a beginner. If you are a beginner getting into wigs and you need something that just kind of hides the front of your hairline, you're gonna go to work or you're going to parties or something like that, and you're so nervous about wearing wigs out in public, you don't have to worry about these wigs being shiny because they are human hair. If they are shiny, it's gonna give off human hair type of shine. It's not gonna ever give off synthetic shine. It's going to be very hard to detect that you are wearing a wig, especially having a little bit of bangs into the front really helps disguise it, especially if you are nervous about the front of your hairline. So if you guys are in the market for a realistic looking wig, you want your wig to just look super real, and you want a wig company that you can trust and you know that you're going to receive a good wig, it's always going to be RPGShow. This is one of the companies that truly gave me my first confidence. I always feel so good into their wigs. I feel like nobody can ever really tell because the wigs look so realistic and the hairlines look so realistic and the lace is so thin and almost disappears into my skin color where nobody can even see it. So this is going to be your beginner friendly wig that I just know whenever you pull it out of the box, you're gonna fall in love with it. And I'm so happy to finally be doing a giveaway where I know somebody's going to receive a wig that I know gave me my confidence, and so I'm so happy to give somebody else confidence as well. Thank you, RPGShow, for working with me onto this giveaway. It's truly amazing, and I know everybody in the comment section down below and everybody that enters this contest is going to truly appreciate it as well. And don't forget, if you guys want to win one of these wigs, either put bangs or Zelda005, let me know. Or for the other one, I'm going to put the other name here onto the screen. I think it's super long, so I didn't put it in my notes, so I'm just I don't remember the name of the other wig. So I'll put the other wig's name here onto the screen in case you want that one. Don't forget, you have to subscribe, comment as many times as you want. The more you comment, the more entries you have. The last winner had 100 comments, 100 100. And of course she won, because there was like no chance compared to like all the other comments. She just like flooded my comment section, and it was amazing. She told me her story, she asked questions, she told me what she liked about the wig. Let me know what cap you think would suit you best and why. Like, why do you like a certain cap? That would be really good. You can let me know what color actually you think would look better on you. You can let me know what you love about RPGShow. Just like let me know what this wig would do for you, all these things, what you're going through. Tell me all about it. I love reading all of your comments. I go through every single one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. Just know whenever I announce the winner, I will be contacting them directly with either this YouTube channel or it will be my email. I'll put my email here onto the screen that I will contact you with. Just know I will not contact you with any other YouTube channel. I will not contact you with any other email. It won't be RPGShow that will contact you or anything like that. It's going to be directly me. So this way there's no scammers. I know that there's scammers that like to tell you that you won and all this stuff. Just know that it's going to be either my email or this YouTube channel directly going to be contacting you. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. If not, there's so many more giveaways coming here onto my channel. Do not forget to subscribe, and good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.